This is a teardown of an AMX DXLINK HDMI-RX unit, and it's model number FG1010-500MX, and this should be pretty easy to get apart. It's like 3 screws total holding it together. Basically, I believe this is a HDMI over network video receiver. There we go. This just hinges open, but there's a thermal pad coupling the processor to the case. That makes it a little bit more challenging to spread apart. And that chip with the thermal pad is a Valens semiconductor VS100RX-A1. And due to its proximity to the network ports, I suspect this is handling the networking protocols that they're using. Also have an Altera Cyclone 3. You got an analog devices chip there, which is probably for the HDMI port, ADV7511. And there's some WinBond branded memory chips around the Cyclone 3 chip. Got a cold fire chip there and some more WinBonds, so I almost wonder if that's like another processor for some task. And another analog devices chip. Not sure what all that one's doing. You can see some of the traces. Yeah, maybe not. I was going to say some of those traces might be going to the USB port, but it's an ADV7612. But yeah, I guess we will take the screws out of the board real quick and see if there's anything interesting on the bottom. I'm going to have to get creative because I believe the HDMI locking standoff is going to hold the board in place. I don't have my screwdriver for that, but I have some side cutters I can use as a wrench. There we go. Looks like there's some more stuff on the bottom. A thermal pad under this processor here. This Valens processor chip, whatever, must have gotten really hot to need a thermal connection to the housing on both sides. But not much to see in the bottom. Potentially got some BIOS chips there, or firmware. It's also a jumper for settings that you could have accessed through the bottom of the housing. I didn't notice it, but there's a little hole there. Those have been shining through the hole in the bottom. But yeah, I don't know what that ST chip does, but I suspect it's BIOS due to its proximity to some of the other main processing chips. But yeah, hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.